ISO 14064 GHG Lead Validator Verifier course. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss an increasingly important subject for organizations, substantially uh, sustainability professionals, environmental consultants, auditors and greenhouse gas practitioners. ISO 14064 GHG validation and verification. Greenhouse gas emissions, carbon footprint, climate commitments, net zero targets, carbon reporting, and sustainability disclosures are becoming important requirements for organizations across almost every industry. But an important question arises: how can organization demonstrate that its greenhouse gas information is reliable, transparent, consistent, and credible? This is where ISO 14064 series of standards play a very important role. In this video, we will explain what ISO 14064 is, what GHG validation and verification means, what a lead validator or lead verifier does, who should consider this professional training, what skills are developed, and how URGS can support professionals who want to build their career in this field. First, understanding greenhouse gas management. Let's first understand why greenhouse gases have become much more important business issue. Organizations consume energy, operate machinery, transport materials, manufacture products, use fuels, purchase electricity, manage waste, and perform many other activities. These activities can result in greenhouse gas emissions. The most commonly discussed greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide or CO2. However, greenhouse gas inventories can also include gases such as methane, nitrous oxide, and other relevant gases. Organizations therefore need reliable methods to identify emission sources, collect relevant data, calculate emissions, establish organizational boundaries, establish operational boundaries, monitor emissions, report GHG information, demonstrate the credibility of reported information. This is why structured GHG management and independent validation and or verification are becoming increasingly important. What is ISO 14064? ISO 14064 is an international family of standards related to greenhouse gas management and quantification. The standard series provides principles and requirements that can help organizations and other interested parties manage and communicate greenhouse gas information in a consistent manner. The ISO 14064 family includes different parts addressing different aspects of greenhouse gas management. In simple terms, the standard helps organizations answer important questions such as what are our greenhouse gas emissions, how are they calculated, what evidence supports the reported information, are the calculations and reported information reliable, and importantly, can an independent and competent body validate or verify this information. Then next is ISO 14064 Part 1, Organizational GHG Inventories. Let us begin with ISO 14064 Part 1. ISO 14064 Part 1 focuses on the quantification and reporting of greenhouse gas emissions and removals at the organizational level. Organizations can use it to establish a greenhouse gas inventory. This involves identifying relevant emission sources and sinks and determining appropriate organizational and operational boundaries. For example, an organization may need to consider emissions associated with stationary combustion, mobile combustion, purchased electricity, industrial processes, fugitive emissions, waste, transportation, other relevant activities. The organization then needs appropriate data, calculation methodologies, emission factors, controls, documentation, and reporting processes. This creates a foundation for credible GHG reporting. Then next is ISO 14064 Part 2 GHG projects. The second important component is ISO 14064 Part 2. This standard addresses greenhouse gas projects. A GHG project could involve activities designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions or increase greenhouse gas removals. Examples may include renewable energy projects, energy efficiency projects, methane reduction projects, carbon removal projects, forestry or land use projects, other emission reduction initiatives. The The objective is not simply to claim that a project reduces emissions. The reduction or removal needs to be quantified using appropriate methodologies and supporting information. This is where concepts such as baselines, monitoring, quantification, and reporting become important. Now, fifth, ISO 14064 Part 3, Validation and Verification. Now we come to one of the most important areas for today's discussion, ISO 14064 Part 3. ISO 14064 Part 3 provides principles and requirements for the validation and verification of greenhouse gas statements. But what exactly do validation and verification mean? Let's simplify it. Validation is generally associated with evaluating the plausibility and reasonableness of assumptions, methodologies, and claims, particularly in relation to proposed activities or projects. Verification is generally associated with evaluating historical information and determining whether reported greenhouse gas information is supported by sufficient and appropriate evidence. A competent validator or verifier therefore does much more than simply check a spreadsheet. They evaluate evidence, processes, methodologies, risks, calculations, controls, and reported information. Then next is sixth is, what does a GHG verifier actually do? A professional GHG verifier may be required to evaluate a company's greenhouse gas statement or a GHG project. The verifier needs to understand the applicable criteria, the organizational context, the GHG inventory, data sources, calculation methodologies, emission factors, materiality, risks of misstatement, internal controls, supporting evidence, sampling approaches, interviews and inquiries, documentation, reporting requirements. The verifier then gathers sufficient appropriate evidence to support the verification conclusion. This is why GHG verification requires both technical knowledge and auditing skills. Now next is what is a lead validator or lead verifier? A lead validator or lead verifier is a professional who has the knowledge and competence to lead or manage GHG validation or verification activities. The role requires more than understanding climate change or carbon accounting. A lead validator or verifier needs to understand the complete assessment process. This can include planning the engagement, understanding the GHG statement or project, conducting risk assessment, determining materiality, developing an appropriate verification approach, reviewing evidence, conducting interviews, evaluating calculations, identifying discrepancies, managing the verification team, communicating findings, reviewing corrective actions, and ultimately contributing to the final validation or verification conclusion. Now next is, why is competence important? GHG information can influence important business decisions. It can be used for sustainability reporting, climate commitments, carbon reduction programs, regulatory reporting, customer requirements, investor information, ESG reporting, supply chain requirements, carbon related programs. Therefore, incorrect GHG information can create significant risks. A competent verifier must be able to recognize potential errors and inconsistencies. For example, suppose an organization supports a significant reduction in emissions. The verifier should ask, what caused the reduction? Has the methodology changed? Have organizational boundaries changed? Was activity data calculated correctly? Are appropriate emissions factors being used? Is supporting evidence available? Is there a risk of double counting? Are exclusions justified? These are the types of questions that a competent GHG professional needs to understand. And next is key principles of GHG validation and verification. A professional working in this field should understand fundamental principles such as integrity, objectivity, impartiality, evidence-based evaluation, transparency, consistency, accuracy, completeness, relevance, materiality. These principles support confidence in GHG information. A verifier should not simply accept information provided by an organization. The verifier must evaluate whether the information is supported by appropriate evidence. And next is understanding materiality. One important concept in verification is materiality. Materiality helps the verification team determine whether an error, omission, or misstatement could influence the intended users of the GHG information. Not every difference has the same significance. A competent verifier therefore needs to understand what could constitute a material misstatement, how should risk be assessed, what level of evidence is appropriate, how should sampling be determined, how should identified errors be evaluated. Understanding materiality is an important part of professional verification work. The next is 11th, risk-based verification. Another important concept is the risk-based approach. A verifier cannot necessarily examine every single transaction or data point. Instead, the verification approach should consider areas where significant risks of misstatement may exist. For example, large emission sources may receive greater attention, unusual changes in emissions may require investigation, new calculation methodologies may create additional risks, incomplete documentation may require further evidence, complex emission sources may require additional technical evaluation. Therefore, verification planning should be systematic and risk-based. The next is 12th, evidence and documentation. A strong verification process depends heavily on evidence. Evidence may include energy bills, fuel consumption records, production records, metering information, purchase records, laboratory reports, emission factor references, calculation spreadsheets, monitoring records, management procedures, internal records, operational data, and other relevant documented information. The verifier needs to determine whether the evidence is sufficient and appropriate for supporting the verification conclusion. Good documentation is therefore essential. Now, interviews and site assessment. Verification is not limited to reviewing documents. Depending on the engagement, the verifier may interact with different personnel within an organization. For example, environmental managers, energy managers, production personnel, maintenance teams, finance personnel, data owners, process engineers, management representatives. The verifier may also conduct site visits or remote assessments where applicable. These activities help the verifier understand how the reported information is actually generated and controlled. And next is common challenges in GHG verification. GHG verification can involve many practical challenges. Some common examples include incomplete activity data, inconsistent reporting methods, incorrect emission factors, changes in organizational boundaries, missing supporting evidence, data aggregation errors, calculation mistakes, inadequate monitoring systems, unclear responsibilities, inconsistent historical data, and insufficient documentation. A trained lead verifier needs to know how to identify these issues and determine their significance. Now, who should attend this training? Now, let's discuss who can benefit from an ISO 14064 GHG Lead Validator Verifier course. This training can be highly relevant for environmental professionals, sustainability professionals, ESG professionals, carbon accounting professionals, GHG consultants, environmental auditors, ISO auditors, lead auditors, management system consultants, energy managers, climate and sustainability consultants, corporate sustainability teams, GHG inventory professionals, carbon project professionals, verification and certification professionals, and professionals who want to develop a career in greenhouse gas management and climate related services. It can also be useful for professionals who already work with ISO 40001, ISO 50001, ESG, carbon footprinting, sustainability reporting, or environmental compliance. And next is what will you learn? A properly structured lead validation verifier training should provide both conceptual knowledge and practical understanding. Participants should develop an understanding of ISO 14064 principles, GHG terminology, GHG quantification, GHG inventories, GHG projects, validation principles, verification principles, engagement planning, risk assessment, materiality, evidence evaluation, sampling concepts, data analysis, verification activities, non-confirming or misstatements, corrective actions, verification conclusions, and reporting. The objective is to help participants understand the complete life cycle of a GHG validation or verification engagement. Next is practical learning approach. At URGS, our objective is not simply to explain the clauses of a standard. We focus on practical understanding. Participants can be introduced to realistic scenarios involving GHG inventories and verification activities. For example, we can consider a manufacturing company that consumes electricity natural gas, diesel, and other fuels. The organization prepares its annual GHG inventory. As a verifier, what would you check? You would need to understand the organization's boundaries. You would examine the data sources. You would review calculation methodologies. You would evaluate emission factors. You would identify significant emission sources. You would assess risks. You would review supporting evidence. You would investigate discrepancies. And finally, you would determine whether sufficient appropriate evidence exists to support the conclusion. This practical approach helps professionals connect the standard requirements with real world verification activities. Now, career opportunities. The demand for professionals with knowledge of greenhouse gas accounting, validation, and verification is increasing as organizations focus more strongly on climate and sustainability performance. Professionals can explore opportunities in areas such as GHG consulting, carbon accounting, GHG inventory development, validation and verification, sustainability consulting, ESG services, environmental auditing, carbon project assessment, corporate sustainability, climate related assurance, and management system consulting. However, professionals should understand that completing a training course alone does not automatically make someone competent for every type of professional verification assignment. Competence also needs on education, experience, technical knowledge, sector knowledge, applicable scheme requirements, and relevant professional or accreditation requirements. This is an important distinction. Then next, ISO 14064 and other sustainability standards. ISO 14064 does not exist in isolation. Organizations may also work with other environmental and sustainability frameworks. For example, ISO 14001 for environmental management, ISO 50001 for energy management, ISO 14067 for product carbon footprint, ISO 14068 for climate change management and transition toward net zero. ESG reporting frameworks and other climate related requirements may also be relevant depending on the organization's objectives. Professionals who understand multiple standards can therefore develop a broader sustainability skill set. Now, why choose URGS? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we focus on professional training, certification support, inspection, auditing, and management system related services. Our training programs are designed for working professionals who want practical knowledge that can be applied in other professional environments. For the ISO 14064 GHG Lead Validator or Verifier program, our objective is to help participants understand the ISO 14064 framework, GHG quantification concepts, validation and verification principles, risk-based assessment, evidence evaluation, practical verification techniques, and professional reporting. The program is delivered through online training, making it accessible to working professionals from different locations. Now, who can benefit most? If you are already working in environmental management, sustainability, ESG, carbon accounting, energy management, auditing, consulting, manufacturing, oil and gas, power and renewable energy, infrastructure, construction, automotive, chemical industries, or other carbon intensive sectors, then understanding GHG validation and verification can add significant value to your professional profile. It can help you understand how organizations quantify and communicate their climate related information and how independent assessment can increase confidence in that information. Now, important professional advice. Before choosing a GHG lead validator or verifier training program, always check what the course covers. Do not focus only on the certificate. Look at trainer competence, course content, practical exercises, standard coverage, case studies, assessment, methodology, recognition or certification arrangements, and how the training aligns with your intended career path. If your goal is to become involved in accredited validation or verification activities, also investigate the specific competence, accreditation requirements applicable to the program, scheme, sector, and organization where you intend to work. Now, at last, final message. Climate change and greenhouse gas management are no longer topics limited to environmental departments. They are becoming important business issues. Organizations increasingly need reliable information about their greenhouse gas emissions and climate-related performance. And as the importance of this information increases, the need for competent professionals who understand GHG quantification, validation, and verification also increases. ISO 14064 provides an important framework for this work. If you want to build your knowledge in greenhouse gas management and develop professional skills in GHG validation and verification, an ISO 14064 lead validator/verifier program can be an excellent step. Call to action. If you are interested in the ISO 14064 GHG lead validator/verifier course, contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our team can provide you with information about the course structure, eligibility, training, methodology, assessment process, and available batches. For inquiries, email us info@urgsiso.com, mobile/WhatsApp +91 7359458455. You can also share this video with colleagues and professionals working in sustainability, ESG, environmental management, carbon accounting, and climate-related services. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the URGS channel for more professional training and certification-related content. Thank you for watching. This is URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. We look forward to supporting your professional journey in GHG management, validation, verification, sustainability, and environmental management. See you in the next video. Thank you.